What is the progress?
So when we had seen the press release that was given by the HNLC, even though we had not received a formal communication in writing from them, we were very positive about the message, and based on that press release we had started the initial exercise. So we have already identified the people, and after that of course we received a formal communication from them, and just today in fact I was in office. I'm going to Delhi tomorrow. In my visit to Delhi tomorrow, apart from meeting different officials and different ministers, I will be meeting the officials of the MHA, and I'll be briefing them about the developments taking place and discuss with them on how to take this forward. So we are at a very advanced stage now. We have already, as I said, shortlisted the names, and once we formally communicate and get a signal from MHA, Government of India, we will take the next step forward. So it'll be more clearer once I make my visit tomorrow to Delhi.